Hello guys, Martin here, coming to you with my next build. It's going to be a set of figures and some other parts that come with this kit, and this is to go with the 1/72 scale diorama that I did for the Halifax bomber and the Wellington bomber that I built, that also included the Airfix World War II RAF Bomber resupply set, which unfortunately doesn't come with figures. I looked around on the internet for some figures, and the only ones I could find were on eBay, and because Airfix had stopped making the 1/72 scale RF Personnel figures, people were just asking stupid prices for a few figures. So I wasn't going to do that. I thought I'd hold off till someone brought some figures out. But Robert Arnehov from Rob Basic Modelling contacted me through Facebook. We're friends on Facebook. He said, Martin, I've got some 1/72 scale figures I can send you. I've got a spare set. And they're the Hella figures, French company, Personnel and WWII RAF. 1/72 scale, 47 pieces come with a kit. And this is kit number 71211. So thanks again, Rob, for sending these. Really appreciate it. There's 4 sprues, brown sprues, within the box. I've already taken them out. Here they are. I'll just spread these apart so you can see them. There we go. One of the cart has come off, and this is a spare wheel that Rob sent me from another kit, because one of the kit wheels here for the 2 carts had broken off and got lost, so he replaced it with another one from another kit. Now 47 pieces, figures. We've got a couple of carts here. That's the bottom half of the carts, top half of the carts, and then we have the 4 wheels, 2 wheels per cart. There's also a couple of rockets here, RPGs. And then we have a number of figures in different poses. This figure here, for example, 2 of those guys, they're holding what looks like a bandolier of bullets for the 303 Brownings. And then this guy, obviously, here, he's holding what looks like the fueling hose with a fueling connector here that goes into the fuel dumps on the top of the wings. And these 3 guys, pilots, they've got the bags on the back. I'll do close-ups of these for you, lads. There's just a little bit of seam work to do. The seams are prominent, but that won't take long to take them off with a scalpel to get them smoothed out, blended. So that's that one looked at. We've got a few guys on bikes here, and big piece of flash off the back there, look. And on the 2 there, that one's fine. And then we've got a guy here. Looks like he's supposed to be carrying something over. Oh, I know what it is, the rockets. These 2 guys, there's 4 guys, so they're carrying the 2 rockets, 1 guy at each end. Got their arms on the shoulders as there's an hole to grab the body of the rocket. And then we've got a guy here leaning forward with his hands like he's pressing on something. Maybe pulling an engine panel down or pushing something. So that's those 2 sprues. Here we got a guy with the battens for directing traffic, aircraft traffic that is. We've got a guy with 2 guys with cameras here. Looks like they're loading the cameras into a photo reconnaissance aircraft. And then we've got a female officer standing. And on the opposite side of this sprue, we've got a few guys carrying something above their heads. and without my magnifying glasses I can't tell you what those are. This guy looks like he's running to his aircraft, these two. The bell's ringing, they gotta get one up, so they're running to their aircraft. And then this guy, he's carrying a bomb. Looks like a 250-pound bomb that he's obviously going to be dropping onto a cart, or he's picking off a cart to load into the weapons bay, bomb bay. And the last sprue, it has the 4 wheels and 2 cart pullers, hands behind the back with slots there for grabbing the handles. And we've got a guy here carrying something, whether it's just an oil container, pump. It's got a spout on it, so maybe he's going to fill something with oil. And then we've got these 3 guys dragging something along, and I have no clue what those things are. Oh, they're chocks, I see them now. They're really tiny. So these are ropes, and close up you can see the chocks stuck to the base moulding. And these guys, again, they got straps over them. Look like they're wearing what a pilot would wear, so I think these are more pilots or flight engineers that are going to get into a multi-personnel cockpit area. But yeah, they all look good from what I can see with my bad eyes, but I can see the seam lines, so I know I'm going to have to clean them all up. But they're pretty rigid material. I've heard that the Airfix ones are a soft material and they're really crap and they're full of flash. So that's another reason why I didn't waste a lot of money, pay exorbitant price for some figures through eBay that people didn't recommend in the reviews. So that's it. Stick around, we'll show you some close-ups of these 4 sprues, and then I'll get on with painting them and try and get that diorama finished, make myself ready to do the couple of dioramas I've got planned for the D-Day 75th anniversary buddy build I'm hosting, both on it and on Facebook. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to getting on with these. Stick around for the slideshow. Tally-ho, chocks away. Oh, and Happy New Year. Hope you all had a great Christmas, guys. We did, enjoyed it. We had a rest this year. We usually host all the family parties, but this year we got a reprieve. Our eldest daughter requested that she host at her house. So it was feet up time for us after 7.5 years of hosting all the family parties. Alright, that's it. No more waffling, guys. Tally-ho, chocks away.